Coming up, we speak with Chris Hardy, VIP Wrangler of WordPress.com.
You're watching YBL TV.
I've used WordPress on a very, very basic level.
Okay.
Like, I love it. I love all the themes that you're able to use. How far can you actually take WordPress?
Yeah, the cool thing about WordPress is we see people using it for very small personal sites, food blogs, small businesses, all the way up to enterprise publishing. Fortune 500 companies are using it for really high traffic, high scale, national and even global publishing. It's powering 24% of the web right now, which is a pretty big number, and that's a lot of people using WordPress for a lot of different things. So
that is amazing. 24%. That's a huge part of the internet market. It's gigantic.
Yeah.
So what is kind of like the differences between the VIP services and kind of more the basic service that I'm used to using?
Sure. Well, right now anyone can go to WordPress.com and they can get up and running with a site for free in just a few seconds. It's really easy and straightforward. And there's some customizations that you can do, upgrades you can do if you want to map your own domain name, for example, if you want a video player or some more space. What we do on the VIP platform is really take that to the next level. So when there's an enterprise publishing organization like Time Magazine and they really want to publish at a high level of traffic for a really big audience, and they want to do more customization with the appearance of the site, features and functionality, bring in plugins. We help them do that. We audit the code and go over it with them for security and performance, and we advise them on best practices and architecture. So it's really a partnership where anyone wanting to do really enterprise level publishing on WordPress can have some of the best WordPress experts in the world to help them do that. So
that sounds amazing and easy and wonderful. What would you say are some of the biggest features that WordPress offers its users?
Yeah. For all users, it's sort of the out-of-the-box, easy-to-use publishing experience. When we talk about the WordPress famous 5-minute install, so you can go from not having a site to 5 minutes later being ready to publish. And that's really exciting for users who, they have something they want to say, they have a message they want to get out, and they don't have to worry about gaining a lot of technical knowledge, they don't have to configure a bunch of stuff, they can just get up and running. So I think, going from zero to I'm published on the web is a really exciting thing that a lot of WordPress users really love. Its community development is really the biggest thing that keeps it going. I mean, it's software built by a community of people who are trying to scratch this itch of making really cool software, really great publishing software. They build plugins and add-ons. You can imagine something you might want to do with WordPress. There's probably a plugin out there for it. There's probably a theme where someone has built it. So it's all these people who just put their time and blood, sweat, and tears and energy and passion into the community to make it better. And that's really different from other software products and services that you might see where maybe it's developed by a small group of people or it's just strictly for-profit kind of endeavor. To have it be community driven is really cool.
That is excellent. So some bloggers actually make a living out of doing this, which is amazing in and of itself. And a lot of their revenue comes from ad services, maybe before either their video plays or display ads on the site. Does WordPress offer some type of plugin for that, or do they partner with maybe other companies to work around that?
If monetizing your site, bringing in advertisers or sponsorships is what you want to do, there's a lot of plugins that will help with that. They have really great content. They start to get attention from other people in the industry who say, I see lots of people coming to your site. I want to get, my name in front of people too. And so there's great tools out there in WordPress to help make that happen. And on WordPress.com, there's some opportunities for that too.